What is going on, Scallywag family? So we are back out on the boat again today. We're gonna try to do some bottom fishing. I got Wayne over here with CPRO Fishing. Make sure you check out his channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for him. He's taking us out. We're gonna go try to catch some bottom fish, some mutton, some king, see what we can hook up to. All right. Look at that sunrise, guys. It is nice. It's a little more choppier than we thought, but hey, look at all the bait right under the boat.
Full stringer.
There we go. Full string.
Beast mode, red fin.
Yeah. There they are, all right here. There he is.
That's how you get a screamer first thing in the morning. Woo! Big fish.
First one on, here we go.
This might be a big tail.
This the flat line or is this on the bottom?
Flat line. It's heavy, it's heavy. So weird.
It's a dead weight?
It's just kind of just...
There he is. Now he knows he's hooked.
Interesting. Extremely heavy tail.
It's not really running though.
No,
Weird.
It's kind of like really weird. Just like,
Even a shark will run a little bit.
I got no wire on this. There's your run.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
He knows he's hooked now.
Oh yeah, he's on. Your guess is as good as mine right now. But we got all day.
Yes, because we have no wire on this one. Looks like a big king.
Yep. Grab the gaff.
Where's it at?
Right by your foot.
Oh.
Figure out.
Keep that orange one because it's got my...
There you go. Nice.
Oh. Make sure... Oh, grab that.
Major wrap. There's your hook too, right?
Yep, that's everything.
Okay, he's gonna go around the front. He's gonna go around the front.
I spin back around.
I'm wondering.
Where all those hooks come from? There's like 2 or 3 hooks on that line.
I'm wondering if the hook of your line is wrapped in line. I can't tell right now. But that would be funny. That might be my double hook.
That's what I'm saying.
And he's hooked to yours. so much shit in the throat.
You could have grabbed him right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Where's my pliers? I got a mutton on this rod.
There you go. Boom. Watch your face.
You want this shit so bad? That's definitely your hooking.
You want to hold him real quick? I'll get the.
Oh, I can't swim away.
Okay.
He's good. He's swimming.
He's swimming still.
Yeah, he's good. I wanted to get a revival.
Hold on.
Look me in the reef. Oh, there he is. There he is. God, he's a grouper, buddy. I had to go to 24 ounces a week.
Holy sh**. Oh.
Jump out.
Sure.
I'm fighting a fish. I'm fighting. Whoa. 24 ounces of weight.
And 5 pounds of grass.
But my money's on a shark.
Yeah.
20 minutes later.
Holy shark! Big sandbar or big reef feed. I'm 40-pound leader and a Speedmaster.
There he comes.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Woo, that's a big boy.
Yeah, he's every bit at 7-8 foot.
Yeah. I mean, on this rod and reel, 40-pound leader, a mutton rig. There we go. Must be perfect. Hello, big boy. Look at that, guys.
Corner of the mouth too.
I'm not quite sure exactly what species, but maybe someone in the comments could tell us. Wow. We're just gonna cut the line as close as we can.
Yep.
And grab the knife. I had enough of this.
Yeah. You may cut it, you want to cut it?
Just cut right by the hook. I mean, it's look at that perfect hook set.
Goodbye.
That's a big. Woo! We're up on a wreck. This might be a big AJ or a cobia. Okay, we got a sailfish on here. No idea on here. This is on a dead valley hook. Live bait on a surface got hit.
Come on, Dan.
You're turning the boat.
I know, I feel it.
Hey, back off the drag maybe a little bit, just in case. That's a pretty stiff drag on that. One line over there. I'd love to get that.
Oh, Lily. There he is.
Hey, I'm gonna switch with you. Yeah! I'm gonna switch with you.
Oh, he's coming towards the boat.
All right. I'm gonna come around you. I'm gonna come around the front of you. You can take him to the back. Well, we've had a really slow day.
We have.
Except for that king. We had a king.
There he is.
Nice.
Oh, he slipped.
Did you lose him?
Yep.
All right, that's all right. We got to fight him for a little bit. All right, let's make...
Oh no, he's swimming towards the boat.
Crap. Whoa! Whoa! Holy crap!
I'm under.
Dude. All right, we're free. Got it?
Yep.
Run around the back, run around the back. Holy crap, that guy was flying. Wow! Woo! He just went 100 miles an hour out of the boat. The fastest fish in the world. I'm trying to... Woo!
And broke.
Go on?
Yep, for sure.
Great footage though.
Nice on the wire again.
Hey, fish over here, get the gas.
Let's see what we got up front. What we got?
What is it? Oh, big
King.
Big thing. Oh my god, I just tripped on the rock. So much stuff.
Watch the engine.
Let's get this out.
Watch the hooks.
I've got 40-pound leader on here and a 5-0 hook. I don't know how he's hooked. Dang! Lost. That was like a 30+ pound.
Yeah, that was a monster. All right. On mono again.
Hey, we didn't land either of them, but that was
Still a good fight.
That was crazy.
It's been a very slow day
That was crazy.
on the bottom fishing.
Yeah, bottom bite has
All we've done is catch sail and kings all day, which is not that bad. There we go. Feel like a mutton.
Finally, dude. Ah. There you go. The streak is alive.
Thank God. Guys, I don't think you understand how hard we've been working for this fish all day.
Here's your dinner.
All day. Been working on this fish. Better chill out, Fred. Be nice, Fred. Easy. Easy, Fred. Alright guys, so we didn't exactly kill the bottom fish today, but we did catch 3 sails, landed 1, other 2 put on good shows for us. We got 2 kings, landed 1, other one right next to the boat, we lost. And then we got 1 keeper mutton, thank God, because we need dinner too. Alright guys, like always, like, subscribe, share our videos. Go ahead and check my boy Wayne out, a CPRO. His link will be right here. Alright guys, until next time, we gone. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the kitchen. So let's go ahead and cook some of this mutton up. So I already cleaned the mutton. I was gonna take the skin off. I was actually gonna do a recipe that actually left the skin on, but we decided last minute, due to me running over a huge nail and having to run back home from the grocery store. So we gotta use what we got at the house. But it'll be alright, we'll still make a great dinner. So like you guys seen in the clips earlier, we killed the sails today. We had a great day on the water, and that's all thanks to you know, Wayne from CPRO. If you guys don't know who that is, go ahead and check his channel out. He's the mutton whisperer. I mean, if you guys check his channel out, he's out there slaying muttons every day he goes out. Just today, the bottom bite was super slow, but we still got great footage for you guys, and we had a great day in the water, so that's all that matters. Alright guys, so we're actually gonna make a lemon butter sauce. And to do that, we're gonna start with some fresh lemon. So we'll let that heat up. We got our water with oil in it. We'll throw some of our pasta. So we're going to let the lemon reduce a little bit, and as it reduces, we're going to throw in some butter. This will help thicken it up a bit. While that's reducing, we have our oven on 400, and let's go to the fish. Alright. So we'll put some olive oil on the fish. We're actually going to go ahead and cover both sides of it as well. Alright, so we're going to use complete seasoning. And sweet paprika, seafood. This stuff is amazing. Make sure it's on there real good. Flip it over. Now we're going to let that rest for a minute, and then we're going to go ahead and cover it in Parmesan cheese. So I worked hard on this, guys. This is fresh Parmesan cheese I just shaved. Only the best for you guys. Look at that. This is going to be delicious. And guys, if this looks delicious, go ahead and hit that like button. I worked hard on this. Okay? So let's put it on our non-stick pan and put it in the oven. We're all done. Bam, check that out, guys. That looks delicious. Alrighty, guys, well that's it. That's all I got for this episode. Like always, guys, like, subscribe, share our videos, help us continue to grow. Also, check out CPRO. The guy's an animal when it comes to muttons. Okay, he's got some awesome videos catching dolphins as well. Alright, so till next time, we gone.